Okay, so the question is, what makes a book hard? One of the common reasons why a book would be hard is because of the words that are used. Let's go here to ARC Bookshelf. So I've selected the orange level. You are working on white right now. So you might consider the orange level books to be hard. So there are three different types of words that we're going to talk about. One is everyday words, another is academic, another is technical. So everyday words are ones that you use in everyday speech. You use these words when you're talking to your friends, your family. You use them all the time. Academic words are words that you probably learned in school, and they often get used in academic worlds like school. So you'll hear them a lot, and these are the most important to be learning and knowing right now. Technical words are words that are only specific to the content. That means that these are words that you will only hear in social studies, or maybe you will only hear them in science. You might only hear them in the specific book that you are reading. So these are the most rare words. So let's take a look at one of these books right here. I'm going to choose this book. And we're going to look at some of the words and words that might be everyday or academic or technical. Okay, so this is a really interesting Choose Your Own Adventure book. We're just going to look at the first couple of pages for some words. So on this page you might find some words that some are easy, some are hard. So for example, the word you. That would be an example of an everyday word because you use that word all the time. You use it with your friends, family. You use that word every day. So it says, you are living in the vast country of ancient China. It's an exciting time for many new discoveries and inventions. It's also a time of many rules and laws according to the emperor in power. It's not always easy to follow these laws. Will you be able to please the emperor? Okay, so another example we have here is the academic word emperor. So we would consider this an academic word because it's used quite frequently throughout your studies, but it's something you might not know and you might not use it every day. So this is probably a word you are going to learn about in social studies later on. If we keep reading this book, on this page, I'll read you the first paragraph. Historians believe the first dynasty, the Xia dynasty, began as far back as 2000 BC. Early dynasties such as Xia were led by kings or rulers. So here we have several examples of technical words. So this one, Xia dynasty, that is a technical word because you're probably not going to hear that outside of learning about this specific thing. So those are my three examples. Everyday words, words that are used all the time. Academic words, these are words that are frequently used in school. And technical words, words that you don't hear very often. So now it's your turn. Your job is to go back and look at some books that you would consider hard. ARC Bookshelf is a great place to begin. So you are working on the white level. You can try and choose so on yours, all the levels will be listed here. You can try and choose black or orange or anything else you see. You can also just use your own books that you find. So from your books, you're going to look for examples of everyday words, academic words, and technical words to fill out the rest of this chart.